Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mercedes A-Class. It's the sport model. Front park distance control. Rear park distance control. It's rare on an A-Class to have both front and rear. It is a good specification, this is indeed. Paintwork's absolutely lovely. Really not much to point out there. It really is in nice condition. Lovely grey colour. Boot area is in lovely condition. Got the rear parcel shelf. It's got the full leather interior with the white stitch piping. Electric windows, electric mirrors. And this does have the factory satellite navigation. Just loading the map up there. Start the car up. Car starts lovely. Just check the mileage. Mileage 82,469 miles. Got paddle shift on the gearbox. Reverse camera as well. This car is really spec'd up to the nines. Air conditioning is blowing lovely and cold. Centre armrest with an aux in there as well. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.